This is VIVO T1 Pro, and today I will show how you can add an event to calendar on this device. So firstly, you will need to launch the calendar app. Then select the date you would like to set your event on. Choose, or rather tap at this plus icon to your bottom right. Then go for the event option and simply add all the event details you want to or you have to. Well, the only necessary thing is title and timeframes, I guess. Everything other is optional. But anyway, you can set the timeframes, time zone, repetitiveness, participants, add the link to the video conference regarding this event if that's something you need to do. Set the location that this event will take place at, and so on and so forth. Then do not forget to hit the save button, and here's the event. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.